All right, Brad, what you got going on, dude?
Okay, so on our last run at Speed Week this year, we're on a good first pass to try to go for the record. I was coming up into the 2 mile, watching the tach. As soon as I made my shift, I looked down, I see the oil pressure dropping really fast. So I stepped on the clutch, I killed the magneto, and I killed the fuel, and I got the chute out. And luckily, we were able to not hurt the motor too bad because of that. We suffered some rod bearing damage, so we called it a week. We came straight home, thrashed, took our whole team to tear the car completely apart, got the crank out to the machine shop, had it polished, and then we were trying to diagnose what the root cause of the problem was. And after taking things apart and figuring things out, we determined that we must have had some sort of debris or trash in our oil that went into our oil pump down here, and it locked up the oil pump. So that caused us to lose oil pressure. Last manufacturer of our old oil pump seemed to have gone out of business, so we had to use a new oil pump. So by doing so, we've had a couple different challenges because nothing's quite the same when you start, changing manufacturers' products. So the current thing we're dealing with right now is we're trying to find the right size belt to drive the oil pump. But things are looking very good. We should know tomorrow if the new belts we found are going to work, and then we'll hook it all up and hopefully fire this thing off tomorrow night or the next day.
Yep, we got right on it, and luckily the crankshaft was all savable. It polished out, and so that was a big thing. Make sure it didn't have any cracks, and it was savable, and it was. And I found a machine shop that would get right on it and take care of it, so we're good there. And the rods all sized up good. Didn't have to do any work to the rods, so we were pretty lucky to have an oil problem like that, and not throw a bunch of parts in the trash can. Ready? Yep. Got power on back there? Yeah. Timing is about 5 or 6 degrees back.
Hey, that was good.
Any problem?
Not really.
Tach's not working.
Tach's not working. But it probably is a loose wire somewhere. It's not hooked up. But he had to readjust the timing anyway. Yeah. And it was kind of pulled apart a little bit because it was getting stressed out. Okay. So.
All right. I want to thank everybody around here for helping us out with this project. A couple of weeks of getting a lot of shit done. Yeah. Everybody helped out.
Hey Brad, what are your thoughts, dude?
Very excited, very happy. It's nice to have everything work out the first try and no real issues. And now we got to hope for the salt to stay dry.